slave to my art. You should be too. Welcome everybody. What another painting session here. Guess what, guys? I got a weird one for you today. I got this canvas here ready, but we're gonna do a different one right now because I'm thinking I don't want to use purple for this particular painting. Anyways, let's just set this to the side over here for now. We're gonna do plain blank white. And this is a really cool little painting. I don't know. I think it's cool. Anyways, get some stuff going on here. Let's get a couple paper plates here. I just need black. I need one for that. Maybe a little bit of a red here. Let me get one of these little paper plates here. And red there. Something like that. Black, red, maybe white. Let's see. Pour a little red in here. Let's put a little bit of red going around there. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Woo! I went too crazy on that. And let's get some black going on. A little thicker paint there. Yeah. Let's add a little thin stuff to it too. Let's add a little thin black to it, just a little bit. Oop, that's gray. Oh well, who cares? Didn't look at it. Here's some black. Let's add the black. As long as they didn't go crazy with that, it doesn't really matter. Alright, there we go. A lot of black there. How you guys doing tonight? Hopefully good. Hopefully you're creating some art or thinking about creating some art. I'm always thinking about creating art. Hopefully you are too. Just get a little bit of white there. A little bit. I said a little bit. Jesus Christ, Mark. Use a freaking bottle. Yeah, we want thick but thin. Who knows? You know, I'm going to add a little bit of thin white to that too. Just a little bit. I don't know. I might even make a mess on the table here. Might make a mess on the table. That's okay. I like making messes. Okay, so you guys, today's art piece is going to be called Whirlpools of Life. Because sometimes, you know, life just throws whirlpools at you, and it's the vitality and the state of being strong and active and full of energy. And that's why I'm going to be using red, black colors and a touch of white. All vitality colors, all strong and bold. And to top that off, we're going to do this with a scrub brush that I bought from the dollar store. Scrub brush from the dollar store. I'm not kidding. Can't make this stuff up. Anyways, dollar store. No kidding, or Dollar Tree, whatever it is, dollar store. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dip my brush in this. Oh my God, look at that. Lovely paint. Look at that. See that? Oh yeah. Let's get one going here with this. I don't know why they did this to me. Let's start some tunes here. Okay, let's see. All right, guys, ready? You liking that, guys? Oh, goodness. Woo! Scrub brush, babies. Isn't that cool? Looks like a little record. That's wild, huh? All right, see that? Let's get one here. Get another one here. Oh, that's so sweet. One on the corner. One right there. One here. Everywhere. Get crazy. Now, wild, guys. Now, we're going to get a little bit of red. Let's wipe it off a little bit with this rag. Let's take off some of that extra black. Okay. Brush. And we're going to get some red in there. Nice vitality. We'll add some light, nice vitality to that. Okay, that's good. Oh, wow. Just a little bit more. A little more. Let's do this one. This one. This one. A little more. A little more. Oh, yes. Let's do that one. Do that one. A little corner. A little bit in the corner. A little one there. A little one there. A little stir in there. Let's add a little more. Add a little more. A little more red. Oh, yeah. A little more red. Oh! There we go, I'm liking that. A little more red. A little more red there. Okay, sweet. That looks so nice. I like a little bit of that red showing. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to wipe it off. Again, we're just going to add a touch of white. Not a lot, because that white's going to turn a little bit gray. But we're going to wipe it off. We're going to get some of that white in there. Funky white. Oh, yeah. Let's rub it in there real good. Look, you know. All right, just a little bit. Little touch. Little touch of magic. Little touch. Little touch. Little touch. Little touch. Little touch. Little touch. Light touch. Oh my goodness, look at how cool that is. Just there in that corner. There you guys have it, man. Check that out. Not wild. Let's put a little bit more white in there. Just a little bit more. Right there in that one, right there. Okay, that's good. Put that in the corner. We have a good time? We have a good time? Yes, we did. All right, there you guys have it. Check that out. Whirlpools of Life, guys. Done with a scrub brush from the dollar store. Yoo-hoo! Peace out. Foltz art. Keep painting strong.